120 days, no excuses, just me. I've had goals collecting dust on my vision board, and I'm sick and tired. So, for the next 4 months, I am committing to discipline, food, and consistency. Let's see what happens.
I just finished completing 75 hard, and I realized that I need to really look at my vision board and make sure that I'm doing the things that I set out at the beginning of the year. And it's already mid-February. So I'm doing a challenge of 120 days, no excuses, just me. And my goals, two of my goals is to finish losing the 50 pounds because I've already lost 12, and to get to 50K on Instagram, which means that I'll be posting every day for the next 120 days. And I'll be documenting my series of getting these two goals done by June 14th, which just so happens to be my birthday. So we are about to go to the grocery store because I need to make sure that I have the proper tools for me to get this weight off and to be nourishing my body and not, falling prey to my devices, because I am an emotional eater. And if I don't have the proper tools, I'll be eating outside, and that is just going to be sabotaging myself. And this is about taking responsibility, being disciplined, and getting it together. So we got to go to 3 stores. We're going to Lidl, we're going to Trader Joe's, and possibly Whole Foods, but it just depends on if I can get what I need from Lidl's and Trader Joe's. I will not go to Whole Foods. Okay, on the menu, we are doing a rotation of tofu scramble, overnight oats, and possibly a waffle, because I do have a waffle maker. And one waffle with some fruit is really cute, filling, things of that nature. For dinner, we're going to do a barbecue tofu bowl. It's going to have forbidden rice in it, black beans, tomatoes, onions, avocado, and kimchi. And then last but not least, we're going to rotate the chicken tuna that I make with chickpeas, and that means that I could throw it with some salad. I really want to make these tuna sushi tacos that I saw someone make out of seaweed. So that is what's on the agenda. And I'm also going to have a juice for the week. I just haven't decided what juice that's going to be. I'm kind of figuring it might have some dandelion. I think it's going to be a green juice, but I might do a pineapple, green cucumber situation. I haven't decided yet, but we need to hurry up and get to the store and get the things that we need so we can be about the business that's going to level us up the way we want to level up. So yeah, we about to go to this grocery store, child. So I always go to 3 different places in order to get the things that I need, because one place don't have what I need, and I also like to shop very budget friendly. So we are about to go to Whole Foods because they always have my yogurts and plant milk on sale. Then we're going to go to Trader Joe's because they always have my organic lemons for $1.99. And then the next place we're going to is Lidl's. And that should wrap everything up. We can get this haul done, and then we get home and we're going to make sure our meal prep is done and completed today. That is the assignment, because the 50 pounds is not going to lose themselves. And I'm proud of the 12 pounds that I've lost, but I could have had a more tightened up ship. So that's what this is all about. We're going to tighten up the ship. We're going to make sure that we're giving our body food that we need, and we ain't taking I'm looking for the Dollar Green. We ain't taking no shorts, because this is personal now. I've been screaming about 50 pounds for the longest, and I've done 12, but it probably could have been more if I really was diligent in the types of foods that I was eating. So that's what we are making sure, that there is no mistakes and no excuses, and setting myself up for success. I've got my garbanzo beans already. I've got my coconut milk. I got me some organic bananas. And now we are here at Lidl's, and I have to get tofu because it's cheaper to get your tofu at Lidl's or Aldi's, and I don't know if it's around the same thing. And then I'm going to see what else I need Oh, I need some peppers and onions, but I'll get that local. I like to get those local because they're cheaper and I can get more bang for the buck. Second store down. We got littles, we got our pineapple, our tomatoes, our tofu, our barbecue sauce, purple potatoes, and avocados. So far I've only spent $7.11. Let's see how much I spend here.
So we got back and there was a little change of plans because I'm really working on using what I have before I go and spend, because I have a bad habit of spending money and food going to waste, not to bad. But this is the things that I've gotten. So my first stop was Trader Joe's. I had to get my organic lemons. These are $1.99 for some organic lemons. I got 2 cans of garbanzo beans because I'm making chickpea tuna. 1 can of coconut milk. If you don't know, Trader Joe's is the only place you need to go and get your coconut milk, unless wherever you live has coconut milk that's pure. This just has water and organic coconut. If it has anything else in it, no ma'am. No ma'am. And I had to get my organic bananas, and that was a total of $7.11 for going to Trader Joe's. Then I walked right across the street to Little's, and this is what I got. I got tomatoes. These are going to go into my tofu scramble. I got 2 avocados. I'm really working on choosing these first because I had a conversation with an alkaline chef, and he was saying that these are the better ones that you should be eating instead of the Haas, because those are man-made. I got purple sweet potatoes, and I'm obsessed with purple sweet potatoes, and I don't know what I'm going to make with them yet, but that wasn't part of the plan. That wasn't part of what we were going to eat. But anyway, we're going to finesse it. We're going to finesse it. I got 2 packs of firm tofu from Little's. They are $1.68. $1.68 for firm tofu. I got 2 because I'll be doing barbecued tofu, and I will be doing my tofu scrambles because I'll be rotating my breakfasts. And I got a pineapple for $2.18, and I got barbecue sauce. I forgot what this price was, but my haul from Little's was $20.63. That was cute, right?